So I'm up on the roof. Well, I'm not. Lewis is. Lewis is on the roof, and he's Lewis. Say hello. There you go, Lewis Skywalker. Lewis the Dormer Straddler today, and he's notching out the tiles so they fit nice and flush. And we're going to go 4 panels portrait landscape along here because it's a bit tight. We can't get them in. So we're still at this job. In fact, look, there's a couple of houses up there. This is where my doctor's is, and we've done those 2 houses at the end ages and ages ago, just after COVID or just after lockdown. And we're doing this one today. So this is where the doctor's surgery is. So you go up here and turn left. That's where the doctor's is. So everyone in the villages locally use the doctor's. They see those 2 houses up there, and they're going to see this one right on the corner. So that's quite nice. That's like a street solar, yeah. But we're going to go onto the garage roof as well. Dalton's just turned up. He's got the orange van. Dalton's just turned up, and he's going to do the cable run and the trenching. He's a roofer, ground worker, and labour and all the rest of it. And then we're going to put some panels up on that roof as well. And then we've also got that roof up there as well. I think there's 4 elevations in total. There might be more around. Yeah, there's more scaffolding around the back. It's quite a lot of scaffolding, lots of little bits of scaffolding. But even on the lower roof there, we've got scaffolding. They see a lot of companies that don't even do that. So this is the bird guard that we're going to be using on this system, and this is all the end phase cables. There's a lot of stuff going on. Don't want to speak too loud because Dan's counting. He's doing some sums, and we might confuse him if we start talking. So there's Dalton doing a little bit of. This is the trench work. Look, we're going to bring a cable from over there on the garage, and it's going to come under the garden down to here. So Dalton's sorting that out, so Dan doesn't have to get his hands dirty, because Dan doesn't like getting his hands dirty. Whereas Dalton, he's dirty. He don't mind getting dirty. And the best thing about that installation, yeah, so we got those 2 over there. You got that one they're working on just over there. And this is the doctors and the pharmacy. And this is where all the old people come, and all the ill people who need tablets, and people like me who need tablets. And we all come here, and we all sit and have a natter and a moan in the doctor's surgery, don't we? So, and everyone's going to be talking, oh, see that bloke round the corner, he's had solar, hasn't he? So I'm going to get my leaflets out there and get them all talking again.